Vilnius is the capital of Lithuania. The charm of Vilnius lies in its medieval roots. The oldest part of the capital is Vilnius Old Town, or Vilnius Senamiestis in the Lithuanian language. The Old Town is made up of cobblestone streets and beautiful buildings. It is in fact one of the largest surviving medieval old towns in northern Europe. Vilnius is very rich in history and heritage. And because of its numerous historic buildings, it is classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Old Town has been preserved despite invasions and partial destruction. Architectural styles range from Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, Vilnius grew with influences from multiple cultures, religions, and languages. A very interesting bohemian neighborhood and artistic district called oo-zhu-pis. Oo-zhu-pis is a self-proclaimed republic just across the river Vilnia, also called Vilnele. A place where you find galleries, boutiques, unpretentious restaurants and pubs, and artworks along the riverbank and parks.